the guy behind the marketing, the director for marketing of Obrasio Bar and Restaurant. Let's give it up for us, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gilbert Garcia.
Hi guys, good morning. Chefs, good morning po. Catherine, good morning Sir Armar. Thank you po ng marami. Hindi ko naman po siguro pahabain. If I may share, now Obrasio means food for the gods. Now, ang concept po namin is whatever fine dining experiences that the gods in the Olympus ay ibababa namin sa mortals, which is us. Now, background lang po, this restaurant na inuupuan natin, inatayuan natin lahat, was built in just 3 months ago. Tama. 3 months. August 29, nag-chat si Ma'am Catherine, Bert, may gusto tayong fine dining, I need this, I need that. Then, I was able to tap Chef Anthony Yang. Palakpakan naman po natin. In just 1 week, September 8, we signed the deal and then put everything dito, construction. And thank you rin po kay Sir CC Lumor for Tier 1. Now, Obrasio was created to serve one purpose, which is to serve people beautifully. We craft dishes na hindi lang familiar, yet elevated with the help of our chef, to bring world-class talents ng mga Filipino chefs na meron tayo, and of course to make every guest feel valued from the moment that they walk in. So ang promise po namin with our customer is to serve you guys like gods. So every plate is shaped with intention, and every dish is born from technique and the heart of our Filipino talent. Now, Ma'am Catherine, the owner, has always become a foodie. Si Ma'am, mahilig po talaga siyang kumain. And by all the restaurants that we dine together along with Chef Anthony and dalawa lang po yung either maganda yung lugar, hindi masarap yung pagkain, o masarap yung pagkain, hindi maganda yung lugar. And that's what we are trying to solve. And to close po siguro ng Catherine, may passion po talaga siya to help people. And I think our staff and you can attest how deeply she cared for people, not just for the customer and for his employees and business partner as well. I think everyone can agree to that. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you, Sir Gilbert.